Hello, this is Leah with Prowess Project, bringing you another tech tutorial for the week. We're going to be talking about how to create a form that you can send out to your audience to collect data that creates an efficient workflow process. Airtable allows us to create a form that we can send out with a variety of field types. And in the same tool, we can then view the responses and organize our data. So there's no need for additional Zapier connections to export our data or to create other ways to download and upload in order to project manage these responses. So let's take a look. So you can see I've built this grid or this spreadsheet here with different field types of information that I want. If I want to add anything, I'm simply going to go to the plus selection and I can select the type of field that I want to include. I'm going to come over here to form, and you can see that this information is all in a nice organized form. I've left off the details, but you can make it a step fancier with your logo. We can change this name. I have the questions that I want my audience to answer, and then I have anything that I want to hide that I have on this grid. I can then just simply pull it out of the form and drag it over here. So I'm going to come back to my grid, and you can see here is, again, how that information would flow. Once I want to share with anyone, I can click this button. Once I want to share my form, I can come here and I can click this URL, and then I can embed that into an email, or I have embed on this site where I have the iframe code if I want to put this into a website. So either of those options allow me to share this form and collect this data. Once I'm back over here in my grid, you can see that then if I wanted to mark the status of the user, or if I wanted to add a column to assign this to another teammate, I can make that process very simple and easy here in Airtable. So again, this allows me to have a form that I can collect data from the audience and then make sure I am tracking and sharing this information with my team in an efficient way that doesn't require a lot of extra steps to make sure if I get a new response in another tool, I'm downloading and uploading it to a spreadsheet or a project management tool. So if you have any questions, please drop those in the comments below, and we will see you soon.